How does a concrete pump truck work? First, concrete pump operator training. 1. Turn on the main power switch. 2. After starting the engine, check whether the air pressure is normal. 3. Conversion of driving operations. 4. Put in neutral. 5. Press the job button. 6. Hang the 7th gear. 7. Press the PTO button. 8. Gently release the clutch pedal. 9. Verify that the PTO and job lights are on. How about the operation of the pump truck outriggers? 1. Press and hold the green button switch. 2. Operate the corresponding handle to open the corresponding outrigger. 3. Adjust the support mode to full. Support mode. 4. Press the green button to confirm. 5. Press the second switch to select English system. 6. Confirm support mode. How to operate the boom. 1. Turn the third switch to the right. 2. Boot. 3. In the first step, the fifth arm is extended 3 degrees. 4. In the second step, the fourth arm is extended by 20 degrees. 5. In the third step, the fifth arm is extended by 15 degrees. 6. The fourth step, unfold the first arm. 7. The fifth step, unfold the fourth arm as shown in the figure. 8. Spread the second arm as shown. 9. Step 6. Adjust to slow gear. Retract the fifth arm to an angle greater than or equal to 5 degrees. 10. Slowly push the fourth arm joystick. 11. Slowly run the fourth arm over the cam. 12. Note that when you need to retract the boom, let the fifth arm pass the cam slowly first. 13. This is the fifth arm. 14. Special attention when recovering the arm frame. The gap in this part is very small. 15. Fifth arm passing. 16. Fifth arm passed. 17. Fourth arm passed. 18. Continue to retract the other booms normally. 19. Push button up equals positive pump. 20. Adjust the displacement switch. 21. Push button down equals reverse pump. 22. When you need to retract the outriggers, switch to surface control. 23. Operate the corresponding handle to retract the corresponding outrigger.